Actually, we are going to learn some specific chunks which are going to help you in improving your fluency. Having good pronunciation and accent along with the fluency which is required, you can do wonders and you will be a fantastic speaker. So it's going to supervise your language. God bless you. Take care.
I'd like to spend a day without technology.
I am looking for a perfect cup of tea.
We can watch a movie or play a game. It's up to you.
I am looking for a restaurant that serves authentic Italian cuisine. I am looking for a new job in the marketing field.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, my dear friends, very good morning. And today, what we have decided to do is, actually, we are going to learn some specific chunks which are going to help you in improving your fluency. When it comes to improving fluency, it means that you will be good at language and you'll start shining while speaking. Having good pronunciation and accent along with the fluency which is required, you can do wonders and you will be a fantastic speaker. So today we have selected some chunks and we'll practice them in the class and you're going to have a great fun understanding. Our methodology of teaching is going to be interesting. So it's going to supervise your language. God bless you. Take care. Yes, my dear friends, now let's get started. And you are going to give me 2 sentences of each chunk which you have prepared. Okay? So the first chunk is, I'd like to. So it means, मैं चाहूंगा. My first sentence would be, I'd like to order a cup of coffee. I'd like to order a cup of coffee. A cup of coffee, go. A cup of coffee. I'd like to order a cup of coffee. Please, your sentences.
My second sentence is,
Yes.
I'd like to visit a new country every year.
I'd like to visit a new country every year. That sounds great. Great.
My third sentence is, I'd like to spend a day without technology.
I'd like to spend a day without technology. Impossible. You can't spend a day without technology every day because we are so technology oriented, we can't live without mobile phones at least. All right. I'd like to. The next one is,
I am looking for.
looking for mean मैं तलाश कर रहा हूं. जैसे I'm looking for my keys. मैं अपनी चाबियों को तलाश कर रहा हूं. What are your sentences, please?
My sentence is, I am looking for a perfect cup of tea.
I'm looking for a perfect cup of tea. Hot, steaming cup of tea. Hot, steaming. Okay.
My another sentence is, I'm looking for a new adventure this year.
I'm looking for a new adventure this year. Very good. Very nice. For both students. Now, please, the next.
So my chunk is let me know.
Let me know. मुझे बताएं. मुझे जानने दीजिए. Let me know if you need any help. For example, मुझे बताइए अगर आपको किसी मदद की जरूरत है. What are your couple of sentences, please?
My sentence is let me know your availability for this meeting.
Very nice. Let me know your availability for this meeting.
And my third sentence is let me know your thoughts on this plan.
Let me know about your thoughts on this plan.
plan.
Very nice. The next.
Can I have the report by tomorrow so that I can review it before the meeting?
Can I have the report by tomorrow so that I may review it before the meeting? Shabash.
Can I have the package delivered to my office instead of my home address?
Can I have
The package delivered to my office instead of my home address.
instead of my home address? Can I have the package delivered to my office instead of my home address? Very nice. Good sentences. The next one is after can I have, could you please? Could you please? Could you please means क्या आप मेहरबानी करके blah blah blah. Right. Could यहाँ can की सेंस में इस्तेमाल हो रहा है और ये can का मतलब ही देगा लेकिन could अगर can की जगह पर इस्तेमाल हो तो सेंटेंस को पोलाइट कर देता है बहुत ही माइल्ड कर देता है राइट जी
I will use it in a sentence like this. Could you please do me a favor?
ओके could you please do me a favor क्या मुझे आप फेवर दे सकते हैं शाबाश
Could you please suggest me a history book?
could you please suggest me the history book? And my sentence would be, could you please open the window? Because it's getting stuffy in here. Could you please open the window? Right, shabash. The next one.
I'm not sure.
Yes, I'm not sure. मुझे यकीन नहीं है कि I'm not sure. जी, I'm not sure if he'll come today. मुझे यकीन नहीं है कि वो आज आएगा. जी.
My sentence is I'm not sure about him whether he is a good person or not.
I'm not sure about him whether he's a good person or not. मुझे यकीन नहीं है कि वो अच्छा या बुरा इंसान है. जी.
And the third one is I'm not sure whether I can do this or not.
I'm not sure whether I can do it or not. आपको अपनी जो guts हैं या आपको qualities हैं उनके बारे में awareness नहीं है. शाबाश. जी, शाबाश. The next one is
That sounds.
that sounds. अच्छा, इसको it sounds भी कर सकते हैं. अगर कोई बात आपने अभी कही है तो आप सामने कर रहे हैं तो it sounds great, it sounds fantastic, it sounds fabulous, it sounds good. ये भी हो सकता है और that sounds भी हो सकता है और इसका मतलब ये होता है ये एक शानदार ख्याल है. अगर अच्छी बात है तो ये शानदार ख्याल है. जी, that sounds great.
That sounds. You tried a new restaurant. That sounds interesting.
That sounds interesting. ये बड़ी interesting sound करती है बात. शाबाश. The next one is
She cooking a new recipe tonight.
she's cooking new recipe tonight.
Night.
आज रात वो नई
That's-
recipe try कर रही है.
That sounds delicious.
That sounds delicious.
Yeah.
दोनों अच्छे हैं. She's going to try a new restaurant. That sounds interesting. And she's going to make a new dish tonight. And that sounds
delicious.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
That sounds. और अगला आएगा जी. नेक्स्ट है how about. कैसा रहेगा? अगर how about के बाद अगर verb लगाएंगे तो ing साथ जरूर लगेगा. How about going? जाना कैसा रहेगा? How about trying a new dish at the Italian restaurant? Italian restaurant पर नई dish try करना कैसा रहेगा? Right. जी. How about?
My first sentence is how about trying.
My sentence is how about going for a short walk? एक short walk पर जाना कैसा रहेगा? जी.
My first sentence is how about trying a new restaurant on this weekend.
How about trying a new restaurant? Trying, देखा? How about के बाद first में ing लगा. How about trying a new restaurant this weekend?
My second sentence is how about taking a break and relax for a while.
How about taking a break and relaxing for a while?
Relax.
How about taking a break? How about going to the seaside this afternoon? All right. Okay, how about baking a cake, a fresh cream cake? Okay, fantastic, wonderful guys. So the next one is I appreciate it. मैं इसकी कदर करता हूँ. जी, please.
My sentence is I appreciate.
My sentence would I appreciate your help. I appreciate your valuable time.
My sentence is I appreciate in when people are honest with me.
I appreciate the honest people. मैं काबिल लोगों की कदर करता हूँ. जी, next.
My next sentence is I appreciate in if you keep this information private.
I appreciate it if you keep this information private. पता नहीं केड़ी information private रख रहा है कि अंदर जी वो मैं तारीफ करूँगा, कदर करूँगा अगर इस information को private रखा जाए संभाल के. जी, next one please.
It's up to you.
It's up to you. Sentence हमारा chunk next है. It's up to you को बोलेंगे it's up to you. ये आप पर मुनहसर है. The sentence would be it's up to you whether we go or not. अगर हम जाते हैं या नहीं जाते हैं आप पर मुनहसर करता है. जी.
We can watch a movie or play a game. It's up to you.
Oh, we can watch a movie and play a game.
It's up to you.
Are you a gamer? It's up to you. Okay.
It's up to you to pick up my advice.
It's up to you
To pick up my
to
advice.
pick up my advice. मेरी नसीहत को पकड़ना आप पर मुनहसर है. जी.
I'd like to.
Yes, repetition. फिर दोबारा से I'd like to.
I'd like you to.
I'd like to.
Yeah. So my first sentence is I'd like to go with my family to perform Umrah.
Inshallah.
And the second one is I'd like to learn more about the internet and its many uses.
I'd like to learn more about internet and its multiple uses. The last one of the least is I'm looking for. मैं तलाश कर रहा हूँ. Yes, please. 2 sentences.
Yes, my first sentence is I am looking for a restaurant that serves authentic Italian cuisine.
Oh, I'm looking for a restaurant that serves authentic Italian cuisine. In Italian cuisines, there are wonderful dishes like pasta, spaghetti, chicken primavera, lasagna, things like that, and pizza, of course. Yes, please.
I am looking for a new job in the marketing field.
I'm looking for a new job in the marketing field. Absolutely fantastic. All right, my dear friends, thank you very much indeed for providing such fabulous sentences of these chunks, which I provided you with, and they were 10 in number, and you spoke a few sentences, and I hope this is a fantastic exercise. It's going to help you out in making your language brilliant. God bless you all, and thank you once again.